Hello, everybody. I'm Roosevelt Simmons, one of the co-founders of AscendSocial, and we're gonna get to do a little training. And what we get ready to cover is how AscendSocial is configured with your social sites. So right now, as you can see, we're looking at the general settings API configuration. If you notice, what's been highlighted is the social app setting. So that's what we're going to concentrate, guys. We're going to concentrate on the social app setting. So let's get started. Okay, so now this is the AscendSocial Dashboard. Now, one of the things I must stress before we get started, you have to be logged into your social accounts that's associated with AscendSocial. So let's go over here to the, well, let me step for a second. Let's talk about this dashboard real fast. This is the dashboard for AscendSocial. If you notice what's on the left-hand side, it's the same thing that's in the middle. All right, so you can either choose clicking over here or clicking over here. I like to concentrate in the middle, so we're going to be concentrating on the general settings. So we're going to click that. So now that's going to bring us to another dashboard. Now if you notice here, we got 1, the license, time zones, 2, social app settings, 3, auto post setting, and 4 is posted, and then 5 is saved. Well guys, we're going to be concentrating on number 2 is the social app settings. So let's click on that. So now, over here is where you can set up your branding website. So we're not dealing with a website right now. The URL shortener, if you want to use it, you have a choice or not. Branding website, since we do not have any WordPress websites connected, so we're not using that at the moment. So we're really going to be concentrating on this first one, connect to Facebook. Now there's 2 options here, okay? One is what we call the Facebook Connect, and the other one is the Facebook App Settings. Guys, for right now, don't be concerned about the Facebook App Setting. This is where you're going to be able to personalize more within your branding. But right now, Facebook is going through a little tummy ache, if you want to say. So once they get that totally straightened out, we'll be able to show you how to do that. But hey, don't worry about it. For now, you can use the Facebook Connect. You could post to your groups. You could post to your pages. So I mean, it's really nothing lost when you're really looking at the big picture. Okay. Now over here to your right, if you notice, this is where your social. This is where you set up your social accounts. Your Facebook, your Tumblr. If you notice, everything says right now we're disconnected from Twitter. You know, it says disconnected from LinkedIn, and it says disconnected from Tumblr. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to do that connection to Facebook, connect our accounts. One of the first things that we have to do is we have to be logged into those accounts. All right. So if you know, this is my my Facebook account. This is my Twitter account. This happened to be my LinkedIn account. And Pinterest, we're not going to be concentrating on Pinterest in this video because there's some special settings that we have to worry about. It's not quick and easy as the AscendSocial Connect, but we have a video on that, and it's extremely easy, so don't be alarmed. And this basically will be my Tumblr account. So let's get back over to the dashboard. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on disconnect. Well, right here, guys, because I used this earlier, so I have to disconnect. Okay, I think I have to do that for all of them. That's because I was connected earlier. So excuse me. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to disconnect. And like I said, just take a little peek at the Pinterest. Like I said, we'll show you how to get these 2 pieces of information and make that work. So let's go back to Facebook. So now, like I said, you have to be logged into your social accounts. So I'm in tab number 2. I'm going to go to Facebook Connect. Guys, all I have to do is click on this and click OK. All right. And it's going to take you back out to the dashboard. So we have to go through this all over again. I think I'm going to talk to the guys and maybe we'll make a little change instead of kicking us all the way out, because that's not really a good thing. So let's go to Tumblr, do the connect. Now it's telling me for authorization. Of course, I want to give it that authorization. And of course, it's going to kick me back out to the general settings. So we do the same thing all over again. click on general settings, and this time we're going to do LinkedIn. I'm going to click on connect. Okay. And the last one would be number 2 in Tumblr. So connect with Tumblr. So now, like I said earlier, well, let's put it this way, a correction to what I said earlier is this. Now, when you go to social app settings and we go down to Facebook Connect, it says disconnect from Facebook. That means we're connected. So this is an indication that you are connected to those social sites when it says disconnect from Twitter or disconnect from LinkedIn or disconnect from Tumblr. All right, so let's just go back out to the dashboard. Okay, so now that you can see we're at the dashboard, you're probably thinking that everything is all done, but we're not quite finished yet. There's one more step we have to do when it involves Facebook. So let me pop on over to Facebook. Okay, so let me go to my home page here. That's what we want to do. Okay, so now what we have to do in order to be able to post to the Facebook groups, right? You're gonna have to go down here. Now I clicked on home. I'm gonna come over here to Facebook groups, and then you have to pick the group that you want to post to. Now, if you don't do this, every time you go to post inside of AscendSocial, it's going to give you an error message. And it's very simple. You just click on this little pull down arrow and go to edit group settings. And if you scroll down, what you're going to do when you get to here, this is where you're going to add the app, our app. All right. So you can post to the Facebook group. So we're going to click here. And these are all the different apps that yours is going to be different from mine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put in here A, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm looking for, now you see right here, it says AS Lite. So what you want to do is you want to click that. All right, and then you want to click Add. And then you click Done. And now, when you go to do posting to Facebook groups, you're going to be able to do it using our Facebook Connect. So now I'm going to pop back over here to the dashboard, and that completes this training of configuring your social app settings with AscendSocial. I hope to see you in other in our other training modules. All right, bye for now.